Eh. What timing that was. Whew, that one hurt. Uh, Ugh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that. Someone match me. Oh my god. Guys, look how close we are. 98%. That's awesome. I hope that was in somebody's stream that has to, like, eat something horrid. Oh, Raimi is donated. Oh, shit. Ah. Yeah, sorry, guys. So I have a redemption that mutes me for 2 minutes. It's simple fun. But, yeah, I also have extreme tinnitus, so every once in a while, my ear will explode, and the tone that, I mean, it's constant ringing. My ears are constant ringing, like that never goes away. But when my ear like actually like explodes out, it's that's what I'm hearing right now. It hurts. Damn, cat, tell me how you really feel. What? What did I do? What? What did I do? You muted me. No, it doesn't work for this. Tinnitus. There's no cure for tinnitus. No cure for that type of stuff. There's only distraction. But when it actually pops my ear off, or whatever you want to call it, it's just time. That's all it is. You can put in headphones or listen to something and try to distract yourself from the sound, but it's just time that makes it go away. Yeah, and there's really not much there's not a whole lot you can do about it. Oh, I hope that part. Well, yeah, because Brush for Hire, every $100 or whatever that gets donated in his stream, he has to start making horrible waffles, like making waffles out of Mountain Dew or something, and adding a bunch of shit. So if all of that was donated to him, they can make him eat a whole nasty ass waffle. Oh my god, somebody just did it. Game on, Ramius. That's it. Guys, 100% of $10,000 for the Trevor Project for Fabulous Marines. We just hit it. That's fucking awesome. Awesome. Fuck yeah, Fabulous Marines. Hell yeah. That's amazing. Fuck yes. Helping out all the peoples. Fuck yes. Friggin' Raimi has called out the whole community. He's like, match me. That's amazing. Fuck yes. I love this community. Like, all the good that I've done since I've known, just since I've known about painting and hobbying and stuff, all the good that's happened since I've just been around is insane. For those of you guys who are new here, maybe I haven't told the story in a bit. It's because of this community that I have a home. A couple years ago, like, as I just got into this community, like, I think I had just started streaming, maybe. It's about 2 years ago. Actually, 2 years ago, around July, August time. I was about to lose my home. Like, it was my car, my house, my everything was about to be gone. And I finally opened up about it. And this community, within a week, saved my house, my car, my livelihood. People I never even knew. Never heard of me, didn't know me. Just knew someone was in trouble and started funds, started charities up, and everyone saved my house. It was absolutely fucking insane. And since then I've tried to be part of every charity. I don't have a very fixed income, so I can't donate a whole lot, but I try to be part of every charity that comes across my desk.